Welcome to Magitoots. Here's how to install Discord on your Mac. It's actually very simple. First of all, open up discord.com. Then on the front page, simply click on Download for Mac. Once your file is downloaded, double-click it to extract it. Once that is done, all that is left for you to do is actually simply drag and drop the Discord symbol and drag it into the Applications folder. Once that is done, click on the Spotlight search here in the top right corner of the screen and then search for Discord. Your Discord application should pop up there and then simply click on it to open it up. Or alternatively, you can also drag and drop it inside of the bottom bar on your screen if you would like to have instant access to your Discord. So this is the easiest way to install Discord in case you haven't used Discord before at all on your Mac. If you have already used Discord before on your Mac through the browser, then you can also just open up your Discord in the browser, and from there in the lower left corner simply click on Download Apps. And you will see that Mac OS download will pop up here as well. Click on it and that will also just trigger the Discord download as we have seen it before on the official homepage. Now that's it guys, all you need to know about how to download Discord on your Mac. In case you did indeed enjoy this video, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day guys, bye!